Welcome to a city that defies expectations, where modern marvels and ancient wonders seamlessly blend. Get ready to embark on a journey of discovery as we invite you to explore the vibrant tapestry of Dubai. From awe-inspiring skyscrapers that pierce the clouds, to tranquil desert landscapes that stretch as far as the eye can see, Dubai offers an array of captivating experiences that will leave you breathless. Sit back to explore the most beautiful places in Dubai. Now, let's immerse ourselves in the rich heritage of Old Dubai. Step back in time as you explore the Al Fahidi Historic District, with its traditional wind towers and narrow, winding streets. Cross the Dubai Creek aboard an Abra, a traditional wooden boat, and journey into the bustling souks that overflow with spices, textiles, and intricate handicrafts. Experience the authentic essence of Dubai's past and witness the seamless blend of old and new. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer magnitude of Dubai Mall, one of the largest shopping destinations in the world. Wander through its expansive halls, showcasing a multitude of international brands and luxury boutiques. Dive into the underwater world at the Dubai Aquarium, home to an astonishing array of marine species. Dubai Mall is a shopper's delight and an entertainment hub that will leave you in awe. Welcome to the Dubai Ferris wheel, an awe-inspiring attraction that takes you to new heights of wonder. Standing tall on Blue Water's island, this iconic Ferris wheel is known as Ain Dubai, which translates to Eye of Dubai. As you step into one of its spacious capsules, get ready for an exhilarating journey that offers panoramic views of the city's skyline, coastline, and the Arabian Gulf. The Dubai Ferris wheel not only elevates your perspective of the city, but also symbolizes Dubai's ambition and unwavering commitment to innovation and grandeur. It serves as a testament to the city's constant desire to push boundaries and create extraordinary experiences for visitors from around the world. Dubai Marina, a vibrant waterfront district, beckons with its modern allure. Capture the breathtaking skyline adorned with towering skyscrapers, shimmering in the golden sunlight. Stroll along the Marina promenade, dotted with trendy restaurants and cafes, while luxury yachts gracefully glide through the sparkling waters. Feel the vibrant energy as day turns into night, and the city lights up, creating an enchanting atmosphere. Dubai Marina is a testament to Dubai's ambition and cosmopolitan lifestyle. Welcome to the mesmerizing world of the Dubai Fountain, a captivating spectacle that will leave you in awe. Located at the base of the iconic Burj Khalifa, this choreographed fountain show is a symphony of water, light, and music. As the sun sets, the fountains come to life, dancing and swaying to a variety of melodies, creating a stunning visual extravaganza. Be enthralled by the synchronized jets, shooting water up to incredible heights, beautifully illuminated by a colorful display of lights. The Dubai Fountain is a true testament to Dubai's commitment to pushing the boundaries of imagination and entertainment. Prepare to be amazed by the architectural marvel that is the Dubai Frame. Located in Zabil Park, this iconic structure stands tall, framing the contrasting views of old and new Dubai. To one side, admire the historic landmarks of the city, such as Dubai Creek and the traditional neighborhoods. On the other side, marvel at the modern skyscrapers and the futuristic skyline that Dubai is renowned for. As you walk through the glass walkway, you'll feel as if you're suspended between the past and the present, witnessing the transformation of Dubai over the years. The Dubai Frame is not only a remarkable architectural landmark, but also a symbolic bridge connecting the city's rich heritage with its visionary future. Next, we ventured to Palm Jumeirah, an engineering masterpiece shaped like a palm tree. This man-made island is a haven of luxury and leisure. Explore the luxurious resorts that dot its coastline and indulge in the crystal-clear waters of the Arabian Gulf. Capture the beauty of the iconic Atlantis, the Palm Hotel, with its stunning architecture and captivating marine life. Whether you're relaxing on the pristine beaches or enjoying thrilling water sports, Palm Jumeirah is a paradise like no other. Our journey stops with the iconic Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. Rising majestically into the sky, this architectural marvel offers unparalleled views of the city. Step into the high-speed elevators, and within seconds, you'll find yourself on the observation decks, mesmerized by the breathtaking panoramic vistas. From the top, witness the sprawling cityscape, the glistening coastline, and the vast Arabian desert. The Burj Khalifa is a true symbol of Dubai's ambition and grandeur. As our journey through the mesmerizing city of Dubai comes to an end, we hope this glimpse into its captivating wonders has left you inspired and yearning for more. Dubai, a city that transcends imagination, offers an unparalleled blend of modernity, tradition, and limitless possibilities. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the enchanting city of Dubai. May your travels be filled with wonder. And may the spirit of Dubai forever ignite your sense of adventure. Until we meet again.